Monday, so that
Sir,
we'll come to know what the grievance is and we'll
Sir,
suggest or place with your lordships the remedial
sir,
measures.
please allow me to
Grievance.
finish my
So in
point,
principle-
please.
In principle,
Yes.
if it is happening that
alive, and now they are being declared that they are dead. There are so many people are alive, so many women, and now they are being declared that they are dead. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
By the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the directions in the website.
BLO, who are the authorized officers.
Micro-observation
and who are the
final
authorized
authority,
officers.
election
Kindly see
commission,
the
WhatsApp
directions.
commission.
Completely away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look at
it is
the
only the micro-observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Minutes they could certificate on record, except.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are-
even as
My lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
officials.
Possibly for most of the submission.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after.
They are not
Yeah.
allowing the government certificate.
let that be a direction, minutes, we should be served the copies.
May I just highlight? two points?
I have something.
Yeah, I just want to highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
Lord,
to-
I want to intervene for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, my Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all that.
No, that has.
Now they have given, my Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who are working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, my Lord, micro observers who can assist, my Lord, in case, my Lord, they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. So that's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers, fault lies with them in not giving us under class 2 officers for
No, there is no
performing the job of
statutory rules.
AERO and ERO. Right? That's the reason why this is not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs, fault lies which is not given by the rules and the state is not cooperating.
No, there is no
alternative except to appoint them and ERO. Right? That's the reason why we are not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs,
And
fault
this is
lies
the communication.
Lord, there is only one.
But they are not assisting.
There is
They are
one,
taking
one,
They are
lordships
taking
have
decisions, not
one
assisting.
side of the story. May be true, may not be true, I'll not go into it. There is one more petition where the Election Commission of India has filed an affidavit. So that also may be taken on record. It's not listed on board. It was mentioned by Mr. Giri. Lord, I am appearing in that matter and I have read the affidavit. Lord, that also will have some bearing, my Lord, in ultimately what your lordship passes the order.
And we have highlighted all the
I just-
difficulties we have been facing, millets.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
My Lord, it is pointed out the
May I
hostility.
just
which
have
is
2 minutes? I just.
But a role
I just
observers
want to
are not
highlight.
a
assisting.
victim, that's all, my Lord. I am saying let us confine.
Ultimately, we
No,
will
no.
ask them to at least 2 days time, we'll have to give
Yes,
them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
Survey copy, millets.
But fair enough.
Wait, I'm-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
2 things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, Lord, there's no problem of time,
The
Lord.
the first.
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
अरे भाई, এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and
We
our
will grant it.
power is
We
there.
have been extending time. We have been extending time. We have
Millets,
been-
my lords have passed a slew of directions.
My lordship,
Every
my
aspect-
lordship with my humble regards. May I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have pointed out
my
and my-
opponent lawyers raised.
Is that.
Sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamata, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best counsel, senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him
with his
assist us
permission.
on your behalf.
With his permission, sir. Only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly-
some states, sir. We are suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
All right.
We are
Are you-
cooperating to them
Are you
all.
prepared-
My
are you
co-
prepared to provide class 2 group?
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
All right.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, all right. Please
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, We are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon these, all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give
Monday.
us the list of the Group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that,
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICD.
There is an atmosphere of hostility. Election Commission says.
And it contains all our communications to the
but with
government,
written
trying for help.
issued contemporaneous.
issue notice.
Lords,
Just
I
a-
have
just a
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled to our different.
That's what you said.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the forum millets.
Yes,
Plate-
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the roll observers.
Millets, they
First-
as well see your lordship's directions on the last occasions.
Give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available.
Yes.
Then micro observer will not be
May
required.
not be necessary, absolutely.
Millets will
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Can do it.
whatever the
And on
role they
Monday
are
itself,
seeing.
we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course. Great.
In both matters will.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter, he is a
Yes.
very learned in
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
national fame.
and I will just tell, save democracy.
1 minute, madam.
Joy
Save
Ghosh
democracy.
he is a renowned author, Jnanpith Puraskar awardee. There might be some mistake, please, you tell your officers also to be a little bit sensitive.
We'll examine millets.
Don't issue notice
Millets.
to persons like.
We have never been divorced from common sense.
It is
If there is
unnecessary
genuine-
embarrassment.
We are addressing them.
Only some
If they
extra
want
time
to
is
make
required to be
sensationalism,
spent.
that's
No,
it.
just one last thing I want to flag. Not from the
If
draft.
the
bill at
state
all.
government fights a constitutional
issue
body,
notice-
what could be the legal
Issue
basis?
notice in both the matters. Issue notice, then, assisting counsel wants to accept notice in behalf of the Election Commission of India. Wants to accept notice on behalf of the Chief Electoral Officer West Bengal. Then say we have briefly heard Sir Shri Shyam Diwan and Gopal Subramanian, then senior counsel on behalf of the petitioners. And Sir Mr. Dwivedi and Rakesh Dwivedi and Mr. Naidu, and senior counsels representing the Election Commission of India. During the course of hearing, it is pointed out by learned solicitors of India that there is another petition hearing number so and so, and the issues raised therein or the affidavit filed by Election Commission of India will have some bearing on the merits of these cases. Consequently, that order, petition is also ordered to be taken up along with these cases due to date. Thank you.
Sir, we are very grateful, sir.
Grateful, madam.
No, of course, sir. Of course, sir. Please protect the people's rights.
Mute कर दे.
And now they are being declared by